Okay, Vinny, thank you so much. Well, let's talk about weather now as we bring in meteorologist Ryan Shoptaw. Ryan, disappointing today as far as the rain goes or lack thereof.
Yeah, there wasn't much, right? I mean, it was sunny, it was hot, and there was some rain out there, just didn't hit the right spots and did not hit San Antonio. Unfortunately, matter of fact, here are the numbers in progress from today. Today's rain in the city, at the airport, 0, nothing. Month to date, a 10th, which is not great. It's not even near average for this time of year, and our high was above what we expected it to be. 102 was the official high at San Antonio International, 5 degrees above the normal, so we should be stopping at 97 this time of year. And add it to the tally, you can see 58 total days at the triple digits. We hit it today and 57 other times this year. And look at this, we're 1 day away from gold. From first place back in 2009, San Antonio hit 100 degrees or hotter 59 times, and we're about to tie the all-time record in the next week or so. Now, I say that because tomorrow we're forecasting below 100. We'll see what happens, but right now we're at 84. At Stinson, 86 at the airport, we're partly cloudy. A light breeze from the east and southeast. Now, the winds are fluctuating a little bit because of a disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico. We'll talk about that in just a second. 91 at Pearsall at 10 o'clock at night, 10:19. This evening, 86 in Kerrville, 82 in Rock Springs, and a pair of 8s out west near Medina County. Now, the radar, quiet, bone dry. Now, with no heating right now and pretty much just quiet conditions aloft, that's how our radar is going to stay for the most part this evening and through tomorrow morning. But different story to the southeast of Corpus Christi. A very weak area of low pressure is to the southeast of Corpus and near Nueces County. And what that's going to do is move farther inland later on tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. In the meantime, tomorrow's forecast for San Antonio, 94 to 95. Best chance at rain primarily in the afternoon hours and widely scattered activity. More widespread coverage of rain to the south because of this right here. Now, the Hurricane Center has flagged this area right here, Invest 98L. What does that mean? Invest, short for investigative area. And basically, it's just a broad area that is trying to spin up to maybe a tropical depression. Doesn't look like it's going to have much space to do so, but what it will offer is some more rain for the Texas Gulf Coast and less the farther north you go. Matter of fact, you can see the forecast. San Antonio, anywhere north of I-10, 20 to 40% coverage of that rain. Higher coverage to the south between Laredo, Corpus Christi, and the Rio Grande Valley. Watch this forecast model. Tomorrow morning at 4 a.m., heavy rain starts to move onshore. Numerous showers for the coastal bend through 9 a.m., 10 a.m. through the early afternoon hours between Victoria, Corpus Christi, and Hebbronville and Falfurrias. They're looking at some more widespread rain tomorrow, and you'll see maybe a few try to drift farther north towards San Antonio, but it's going to be few and far between. Tomorrow night, very similar scattered activity, and the better chance for San Antonio and farther areas north will be Monday morning 5:30 as this disturbance moves farther west towards northern Mexico and the Rio Grande by Monday. Now, how much rain we're looking at? Looks like towards the south up to 2 to 4 inches of rain. And around San Antonio, it's going to vary depending on how these showers kind of move farther north towards I-10. But optimistically speaking, between 1/10 to 1/4 with areas south up to a ½ inch of rainfall. All right, 7-day forecast, mid-90s through Monday. Scattered rain mainly in the afternoon hours. Monday morning, a better chance at rain. 98 on Wednesday and about 100 degrees on Thursday and Friday with just small chances at rain by the end of next week.